Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to save video as .mp4 in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Filmora application on their official website and go and create your account. Now, when you did that, all guys you need to do is go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do this. So first of all, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have, as you can see in the top left corner, the files, edit, we have tools, view, export, and the help option. So export is great because we don't have anything inside. Also, we have, as you can see here, the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and save video as .mp4 in Filmora. Well, first of all, what we need to do is go and add something into our project. So basically, let's go and add a audio. So it's not important. We just need to go and have the export button available for us. So I'll be doing this for the sake of the video. You'll have your media here if you have a video that you want to then export because of the MP4. So now when you do that, you just need to go and click on the top right corner here, click the export button, which is available now. And as you can see, guys, here we have it. So the first option is MP4. So basically here we have the video. You can go and name it, put it where you want, and go to settings, and then just click export. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. That will be, as I said, everything for this video, and I hope to see you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.